After a long day, you go into your room, lay down, turn off the lights, and now all of a sudden you hear this rhythmic, thumping, heartbeat type sound in your ear. It's a sound you've never noticed before, so it's understandably making you very nervous. It's called pulsatile tinnitus. Unlike many other forms of tinnitus or tinnitus, in which you hear a sound, usually buzzing or humming, and the source of the sound is unclear, pulsatile tinnitus has a physiological source, and in most cases, it's nothing to really panic about. It's also not a great idea to totally ignore your pulsatile tinnitus as well, especially if it doesn't go away on its own within a few weeks or so. When you begin to hear the heartbeat sound in your ear, it's because you're experiencing pulsatile tinnitus. In most cases, it's caused by irregular blood flow in one of the blood vessels around your ear.